Hi, welcome back to Chemistry Connection. Today we're going to be making our Toasted S'more Whipped Soap. We're going to be using our Fireside Fragrance Oil and our brown and black iron oxides. You will need to mix together 4 ounces of coconut oil and 8 ounces of palm oil. Once you have this mixed together, then you will set it in the fridge to cool until it is completely hardened. Next, we're going to cut up 5 ounces of our Castile melt and pour soap and then melt that in the microwave for 30-second intervals until it is completely melted. Once you have this melted, then you're going to add 0.2 ounces of vegetable glycerin and 12 ounces of water. Once you have this mixed together, then you will set it aside to cool at room temperature. Once your palm oil and coconut oil mixture has completely hardened, then you will mix it in with your soap mixture using a stick blender. You will then need to add your fragrance oil and mix together with a whisk. I use equal parts of our brown iron oxide and black iron oxide to create a darker brown color. Separate your whipped soap mixture into 2 halves and then add your brown colorant to 1 half of the mixture. Using a tall container for stability, place a large Ziploc bag in the container and then portion out in equal parts to create a 2-tone effect for pouring. Once you have your bag filled, then you'll cut off the tip and then pour it into our 16-ounce PET jars.